السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بيكم في lesson 1 من unit 1 junior 4 measuring tools. All these things differ in shape and color, but all of them are matter. These things are called matter because they have mass and volume. So anything has mass and volume, I can call it matter. What is the definition of matter? Matter, it is anything that has mass and volume. Repeat after me. Matter is anything has mass and volume, or everything that has mass and occupies part of space. Occupies part of space. We will replace volume by occupies part of space. Mass. Mass, it is the amount of matter that the object contains. If your mama put 2 kilo of mango and the mango in the case, the mass is the amount of mango in this case. So mass, amount of matter that the object contain. Volume is space that is occupied by an object. If you look at your desk, when your desk is space and you put the book on the desk, the book will occupy part from the space. The volume is space that is occupied by an object. In this lesson, we are going to study how to measure the length of an object, the mass of an object, the volume of an object. Let's begin. Length. Length measuring tools. What are the tools that we can use to measure the length? Measuring ruler. If we want to estimate small things like the length of your book, we will use measuring ruler. Number 2, graduated tape. Graduated equal measuring. Graduated tape. If we want to measure the dimension of your room, dimension mean length and width, we will use graduated tape. Any long thing, any long and large things, we will use graduated tape. Length measuring units are centimeter and its symbol cm. It's suitable for measuring the small length as the length of pen or book. Meter, it's suitable for measuring large lengths like dimension of your room. And number 3, kilometer and its symbol km, suitable for measuring a very large lengths, distance between cities like Cairo and Alexandria. Okay, note 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equal 2000 meter. If I say 2 meter, you will say 200. If I say 3 meter, 300. Okay. Second, mass. Mass measuring tools. Number 1, common balance, and it has another name, two-pane balance. It used to measure the mass of large objects like fruits and vegetables, tomato and cheese. Sensitive balance. Sensitive balance. Sensitive balance. It measures the mass of tiny small things like gold and chemical. Mass measuring units, gram and its symbol G, suitable to measure small mass such as jewelry. Kilogram, suitable for measure large mass such as fruits and vegetables. And number 3, ton. It's suitable to measure the mass of heavy object, very large mass, such as cars. Don't forget, 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. 1 ton equal 1000 kilogram. And if I say 2 kilogram, you will say 2000 gram. Volume. Volume measuring tools. Number 1, graduated cylinder. It measures the volume of liquid, water, oil, milk, and also the volume of an irregular solid body as a stone. Number 2, ruler. It measures the dimension of regular solid body, like cuboid. Cuboid then calculates the volume. Volume measuring units are liter or milliliter, liter or milliliter. It's used to estimate the volume of liquid. Cubic meter, cubic centimeter. It's used for measuring estimate the volume of solid and liquid. Volume. 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter equal 1000 cubic centimeter. Now we are going to study how we can measure the volume of liquid such as water, volume of regular solid such as cuboid, volume of a regular solid body such as stone. Measuring the volume of liquid such as water by using a graduated cylinder. We put the water in the graduated cylinder and look at it. We look at the level of water in the graduated cylinder vertical. This is the volume of liquid. Measuring the volume of regular solid such as cuboid by using ruler or book. We will measure the length, width, and height, and times. If we have stone and we want to measure its volume, we will put water in graduated cylinder, and after this we will put the stone. The level of the water rise up, and we will make V2 the volume of water and stone minus the water of only liquid. V2 minus V1 equal the volume of stone. When a body is submerged in cylinder full of liquid completely, an amount of liquid is spilled out from the cylinder, and this amount of water which is spilled out equal the volume of the body.